I'm Danielle Heberling. I'm an AWS community builder, and I'm also a software engineer. And I come from a non-traditional background. I started off my adult career as a music teacher and then went into tech support. And when I was in tech support, I found myself wanting to go above and beyond and actually get my hands dirty and jump into some code and fix the issues for the customers. So being in tech support is what inspired me to want to teach myself how to code. And I later ended up going to code school. And then I got my very first job. My very first job was a smaller team, so we didn't have resources for on-premises server management. We used the cloud, in particular AWS. And my manager was just starting to get into this new thing called serverless. And I saw what he was working on and just immediately fell in love. I really loved the superpowers that serverless gave me as a complete noob to tech. The majority of my experience with the wider community has been through the AWS Community Builders program. And I personally have found that it's a really wonderful place to just brainstorm various ideas and to get inspiration on, what I want to work on next. I love helping my peers. I love being helped by them. It's an amazing place to get unstuck. If you're ever on a technical problem, chances are someone else in the community has gone through it as well, and they can jump in with their experience and help get me unstuck to move forward. So I've really enjoyed my time. My absolute favorite part of my time spent with the AWS Community Builders program has been the majority of the way that we interact is through Slack. And when you're in Slack, it's all text and, an avatar picture of a person. And my favorite part was being able to see those avatars become real humans when I went to reInvent and got to meet folks in person. AWS Application Composer has been a phenomenal tool for my productivity as a developer. Some things that really make it wonderful is the visual drag and drop. With serverless, a lot of things are decoupled and many moving parts, and you kind of don't really know how they fit together sometimes. But AWS Application Composer solves that through being able to have that reference diagram. And then on top of that, the other part of it that I really love is that beyond the diagram, there's deployable infrastructure as code. And as a techie, sometimes you want to go beyond what the out-of-the-box experience can do for you. And because I have full access to the template, I can go in there and make any tweaks that I want. As long as it is valid cloud formation, it's fair game. So I've really enjoyed it being able to speed up my development. If you want to learn more or connect further with me, I'd encourage you to check out my website. It's www.danielleheberling.xyz. On there, you can see some of my ramblings via blog posts that I've written and also past talks. And if you go to the footer, you'll see all of my social media accounts. So definitely feel free to reach out there. Would love to chat. Let me know what you think about Application Composer.